Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of unblocking apps on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down and click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to Block Apps, click on the Edit button. Step 8. Now, click on See Your Blocked List. Step 9. Finally, locate the app's name and click on the Unblocked button next to its name. By following these simple steps, you can easily unblock apps on Facebook, allowing you to access and use them again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.